The next sandhi that we will be learning is Chartva Sandhihi. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to learn Chartva, table, examples, and rules of Chartva Sandhi. Now, what is this Chartva? Char, Chartva, Char. Char is the result of the transformation which happens in this Chartva Sandhi. When the result of the two sounds is Char, we call it Chartva Sandhihi. Char represents ch, t, t, k, p. Now we clearly know from this representation that it is the first letter of the Vargiya Vyanjana. Now these letters are the first letters of the Varga, and it is here the Vyanjana is getting transformed, and therefore it is a Vyanjana Sandhi. Let us see some sentences. Kuberaha Dakshinasya Dikpalaha. Dikpalaha. Kuberaha Dakshinasya Dikpalaha. Vipatkale Dhiraha Namuhyanti. Ramayanam Anushtup Chandasa Rachitam. Satkirtihi Sampadaniya Sarvaihi. Dikpalaha. Dikpalaha. Vipatkalaha. Anushtup Chandasa. Satkirtihi. Digpalaha becomes Dikpalaha. Vipadkale becomes Vipatkale. Anuштub Mahaprana. Anuштub Chandasa. Chandasa. Anuштub Chandasa becomes Anushtup Chandasa. Sadkirtihi becomes Satkirtihi. In all these cases, we are seeing the first letter is coming as Adesha. Now, what are the conditions of this Sandhi? Let us take a case study. Dig plus Palaha. Dig can be split as D, I, G. Palaha can be split as P, A, L, A, Visarga. Now, G, P. Now, G, P, G, Dig, Palaha, Dig, Palaha, Dig, Palaha. The G is becoming Ka in this case, Kakara in this case. Dikpalaha, and it is a replacement for Gakara, which means it is an Adesha. So this is an Adesha Karya happening on the one side. Gakarasya sthane Kakaraha. What does the rule say? How to remember this Sandhi through a table? In Chartva Sandhi, you have all the Vargiya Vyanjanas except the fifth letter. In the Paravarna, you have the Karkasha Vyanjana. What is Karkasha Vyanjana? First two letters of all Vargas and Sha, Sa. These are Karkasha Vyanjanas. Then what is the Adesha? K, Ch, T, T, P. Now, the Adesha depends on the Purva Varna. If the Purva Varna letter is a Kavarga letter, the Adesha will be Ka. If the Purva Varna is Chavarga letter, the Adesha will be Ch. If the Purva Varna is a Tavarga, it will be T. If the Purva Varna is Tavarga, it will be T. If the Purva Varna is Pavarga, it will be P. This is Chartva Sandhi. The clue for Chartva Sandhi and Jastva Sandhi is in Paravarna you will have Karkasha Vyanjana, whereas in Jastva you will have a Swara or a Mridu Vyanjana. Now, Atra Kevalam Purva Varnasya Sthane Adeshaha. We will see some more examples. Sad Kirtihi. Now you have D and Ka. Vag Prayogaha. The Paravarna Ka, the Paravarna Pa in both these cases are Karkasha Vyanjanas. Virad Purushaha. So you are having Pa, Karkasha Vyanjana, and you are having a third letter there. Da. Ga and Karkasha Vyanjana. Kamadhuk. Kamadhuk Khadati. Kakud Sthaha. D and Sa. Now all these are Karkasha Vyanjanas on the right side. and the Purva Varna is a Vargiya Vyanjana except the Anunasika letters. Now the answer will be, as per the rule of this Sandhi, is Sat, the first letter. The first letter of the Purva Varna Varga is substituted, comes as Adesha. The first letter of Purva Varna in the case of Sadkirtihi is Takara, because Dakara is Tavarga letter. Vag Prayogaha, in this case the Adesha is Kakara, because Ga belongs to Kavarga. Virat Purushaha, Kamadhuk Khadati, Kamadhuk Khadati, Kakut plus Thaha, Kakutsthaha. Very important Sandhi. So the rule is quite simple. Padante stitebhyaha na etan varjayitva avashishtebhyaha vargiya vyanjanebhyaha yada avashishtebhyaha vargiya vyanjanebhyaha etan varjayitva means leaving out these letters, the fifth letters. Padante stitebhyaha na etan varjayitva, leaving out these letters, the balance vargiya vyanjanas yada vargiya vyanjanebhyaha yada karkasha vyanjanam param bhavati tada tesham vargiya vyanjananam sthane tattat varganam prathama vyanjanam adeshaha bhavati. Punaha vakshyami. Padante stitebhyaha na etan varjayitva avashishtebhyaha vargiya vyanjanebhyaha yada karkasha vyanjanam param bhavati tada tesham sthane tattat varganam prathama vyanjanam adeshaha bhavati. When the first four letters of any varga at the end of a word are followed by karkasha vyanjana, they are replaced by the first letter of the corresponding varga. Kharicha is the rule. With the sutra, we may not be able to make out anything, but what we can make out is the Chartva Sandhi happens when Khar Varnas are involved. What are the Khar Varnas? They are the Karkasha Vyanjanas. Kha, the Maheshwara Sutra, Kha Pha Chatatav Kapai Shasar Hal. So Khar refers to Kha, the letters from Kha to Repha, Shashasar. So when Khar Varnas are involved, the Chartva Sandhi occurs. Char refers to Ch, T, T, K, P. This is what is taken. Now, as per Maheshwara Sutra, Char represents along with this Shashasa also, but they do not come as Adesha because they get eliminated by other Sandhis or get overruled by other Sandhis. That is why we have Char in Chartva Sandhi. The first letter of the Varga comes as Adesha. Left hand side is Jhal Varna actually. Jhal, in front of Jhal, if Khar is there, you get Char. In front of Jhal, if Khar is there, you get Char. This is how you can remember.